What's up everybody, Zach here. This is a quick review of basically what the Bernzomatic ST550 comes in a plastic, everything organized. And inside you have the torch itself, solder, a sponge, a couple different heads, and I'm not sure what they call that. Simple kit. One thing that it doesn't come with is any fuel for the torch, which I didn't know, so I need to get some fuel so that I can actually use it. It's I'd say a starter kit if you're just doing something really small here and there. It's made out of plastic. It's really light. I mean, it feels like there's nothing to this. This is your trigger for on and off. That little button is the safety, so you got to push that in and pull the trigger down to light it. That click is like a grill igniter, how it lights the torch. Right here is your off, and then your continuous switch, and you can lock that over to keep this trigger in the lock position if you're doing a lot of soldering. If we can get that to focus. 1 through 4, that's your adjustment, and then the bottom is where you would put the fuel to fill it up. If you want to swap out tips, just unscrew that, and then everything comes off, and you can pick one of the other tips. And it has a sponge just to clean stuff up. Comes with some solder. Once it focus, there you go. Not a ton, but enough to get you started. Like I said, this is more, I think, of just a homeowner, once in a while type kit. Now I just replaced a wire and a wire harness on a Chevy Tahoe the other day, and I could have used this. Instead I used butt connectors with heat shrink, which worked fine, but I would have liked to have soldered the wire together. It was on one of my vehicles. But that's a kit, priced right. I can't use it because I don't have any fuel, which I didn't know it didn't come with. But outside of that, it's an okay kit for the money.